Hello, this is the Tachibana Tech channel coming at you with another unboxing video. And today we got our hands on the JLab JBuddie Stereo on-ear folding kids headphones. In case you couldn't tell, this is for kids. It even says right here, fits ages 6+ years. Now, the last kids headphones that we unboxed, the Go Sons, they looked nice, but they did not stand up to kids. So we're hoping that this model, which costs a little bit more than those Go Sons that we unboxed, are a little bit more sturdy. Like the last ones, they did not last longer than a week with some kids and 2 weeks with the other ones. And the oldest even lasted for not even 3 weeks. So we're hoping this has a much stronger construction. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. It's got volume safety, on-ear comfort, and a lifetime warranty. We'll have to see about that. All right, so the box is pretty colorful, which is nice because I had my kid pick out which color he wanted. They had a bunch of colors there. There were 3 colors that I saw right off the bat, and there were 2 slots that looked like they were sold out. Let's go ahead and open this. Or as my wife likes me to say, let's get to the meat of this. Sorry about that, guys. So I had to cut this, just like the instructions say, to get this open. So let's go ahead and try this again. All right. You know it's made for kids when the adults have a hard time opening it, right? All right. So we have simple instructions, it looks like. Okay. All right. Not quite instructions. Gives you the ability for product updates and 3 months free of TIDAL. That's interesting. That's not too bad, actually. Not at all. All right. And here's the headphones. It is kind of nice that they fold up because a lot of the other options I saw at the store, they didn't fold up. They were just stiff, which is not the best when you need to like fold into a kid's backpack for school. But they look softer, and give it that. And oh, this is actually made out of metal, so it's quite possible these will last a little bit longer than the Go Sons did. The Go Sons did sound pretty nice. It's just for kids, they used a less durable plastic, so we're hoping these last quite a bit longer than those did. Volume control, right here. You can hear it clicking. Oh, it tells you right on the box. Right there. 1 click, play, pause. 2 clicks, track forward. 3 clicks, track backwards. Oh, that's kind of cool. I wasn't expecting this much control over some cheap kids headphones, so that's even better too. And with that, I do believe that is the end of our JLab JBuddie Stereo Headphones unboxing. Let us know down in the comments if there's anything else you would like us to unbox, and we will go ahead and catch you guys next time.